it was a bombshell interview. I actually went back again to listen to it, to kind of listen to Michael Healy-Rae's voice and how he sounded. And he sounded emotional, like, truth be told. And I suppose he would often be quite glib, very quick-witted, smart to come back with comebacks in interviews, and always kind of have a shrewd way of answering a difficult question. But he was very frank in the interview on Radio Kerry, and basically said that this was the toughest political chapter in his book, which is a strong word. He said basically that Danny Healy-Rae, his brother, started a fire that I couldn't stop when he went on Radio Kerry and said he wasn't supporting the government, and then that forced Michael Healy-Rae's hand. And he talked like at long terms about how Kerry has lost political influence by losing a junior minister in the Department of Agriculture. He talked a lot about how his father, Jackie Healy-Rae Sr., had for many years told him that he needed to get into politics, get into the Dáil, and work his way up literally the floors in the Department of Agriculture until he was near the top and he could assert influence. He also spoke a lot about how the influence wasn't just in his ministry, but it was across the government. That there was they got money for the Killarney bypass that was kind of stalled for many years. In previous years, it got no funding, but now it has funding. And he said in this interview that can't be taken away. But what was taken away with the decision from the Healy-Raes in April was the fact that they are not at that table anymore. They are not in government.
And he clearly blames his own brother for that.